Hi, my name is Haika, Tanzania's receptionist. I'm the first person you interact with when you walk into our offices. My job is to welcome you, direct you, and announce you appropriately. I am the face and the voice of Toyota.
Hi, I'm Lillian, Sales Executive at Toyota Tanzania. My job is to understand your needs and advise you on the most suitable Toyota vehicle. I'll show you the vehicles available, describe the features, and accompany you with the test drive. And most of all, to ensure that overall purchase experience goes smooth.
Hi all, greetings. My name is Victoria and I'm the sales manager for Salute Finance Limited. Salute Finance is a full-fledged leasing arm of the group. And as a group, we're dedicated into providing vehicle leasing solutions to our corporate clients in the country. As a sales manager, it's my duty and responsibility to ensure that there's complete customer satisfaction and relatively a positive customer experience.
Hi, I'm Joari, sales accountant. I'm here to maintain and reconcile customers' accounts, also being a link between sales and accounts department regarding customers' payments.
I'm Penina, a service advisor at Toyota Tanzania. Liaison between you and the technicians. I will assist you with booking your service appointments, determining all the problems that your vehicle is facing to ensure a timeline, and also give this repair description to the technicians to make sure your vehicle comes back to its best condition.
Habari. Naitwa Veronica, ni fundi kutoka Toyota Tanzania ambaye nimebobea katika mafunzo ya umeme. Wajibu wangu ni kulikagua gari lako na kugundua matatizo ya hilo gari na kulifanyia matengenezo, ili utakapokuja kuchukua gari yako itakuwa katika hali ya ubora.
Habari, naitwa Lusimbura, Service Advisor Body and Paint Toyota Tanzania. Niko hapa kwa ajili ya kupokea gari yako kama imepata damage ndogo au kubwa. Nitahakikisha kwa mafundi kama unavyotaka, na nitahakikisha nitaisimamia inatengenezwa vizuri mpaka nitakapokukabidhi, hakikisha umeiridhia kama hivyo kutoka kiwandani. Karibu sana, jisikie huko nyumbani.
Naitwa Scholastica, ni mhudumu wa kuosha magari Toyota Tanzania na kuhakikisha magari yakiwa safi ndani na nje na kutoa madoa na kukabidhi gari likiwa safi.